Today we'll discuss ODI medium English book textbook question answer, that is the topic A Letter to God. The last time we discussed the subject. Now the question answer. First question is, where did Lencho live? Okay, then the answer is, Lencho lived in the only house situated on the city of the low hill. This is in the book. First line, the house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. That means गोटे घर थिला, से घरे से रहउथला. Lencho lived in the only house, गोटे घर, on the hill. The second question is, what did he hope for? से कौन आशा करथला? What did he hope for? The second question, the answer is, he hoped for a good harvest. भल फसल अमल करने चाहूला. From the field of ripe corn with the flower. जो फसल करथिला भल फसल ପାଇଁ आशा करथिला. वर्षा हेले भल फसल होतला से चिंता करथिला. And third question is, what did he say about the raindrops? Raindrops से कौन कहथला? Lencho said the raindrops were small drops of new coins, just like coins. Please think as coins. How did the rain change? वर्षा केमती चेंज हो गला? The rain changed into very large hailstones. कुआपथर वर्षा हो with the strong wind. जो पवन वर्षा हवा फल स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड रे परिमाण हो गला. Just you read line by line, you will just get also answer from the same book topic. Then what happened to Lencho's cornfields? The cornfields को कौन हला खेत को? Lencho's cornfield was converted with rain and hailstones, and the field appeared white as if covered with salt. कुआपथर पड़ी से पूरा salt रे कवर हला देखा. Who did Lencho have faith in? Lencho का पे भरोसा थिला? प्रचंड विश्वास भगवान के ऊपर. Lencho had faith in God Almighty, God G capital. Who did he write a letter to? क्या चिट्ठी लिखला? Normally God को भगवान को लिखला. He wrote a letter to God. Question is, who did question is answer right or wrote or past tense. He wrote a letter to God. Who read the letter? Simple गोटे बार आंसर. किए पढ़िला चिट्ठा? पोस्टमैन पढ़िला. तेणुक बही आंसर पाई पार. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, सिंपल आंसर, बहुत सिंपल. इसमें करिया, the postman read the letter. Read तीन टा आंसर सिंपल. What did the postmaster do? पोस्टमास्टर कौन कला? पोस्टमैन चाहूला येटा को विश्वास न भांगिया. तेणुक सी चेष्टा कला कि टंका पठाइबा हेल्प करने. सब एम्प्लॉय पैसा कलेक्शन कला. Postman sent money in an envelope to Lencho. He collected it from his staff and sent the money in an envelope to Lencho. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? से पैसा पाई आश्चर्य है कि ना आश्चर्य है कारण जानी आश्चर्य पैसा. He was not at all surprised. Same according to the question, the answer will be there. Find a letter for him with money in it. What was Lencho's reaction after getting the letter? तार रिएक्शन कौन हल पैसा चिट्ठी पाइला पर जो पोस्टमैन आउट लेटर देता लिखिकी ता सहित से कहला जिते टका मागिଥିଲା से देलानी तार अधार अधिका देता से रागिगला. से कहला भगवान मत पैसा पठाओ. He was very angry because he had not got the full money and he requested to send the rest money but not through the mail because he thought that the postal staff are crooks, they will take it away. Simple. This is the answer. This is the I have read the book chapter 2. If you have any doubt, you can ask me about this. Now we will go to the next chapter. The Solitary Epoch. This is a famous poem, William Wordsworth. When I was also reading in the college, I was also listening to this poem. Very good poem, very old poem of romantic age about nature. Just I am reading the poem loud. Listen, take out your book, and from the reading itself you can learn slowly. Behold her single in the field, yon solitary highland lass, weeping and singing by herself, stop here or gently pass. ତା ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ କ'ଣ କହୁଛୁ? ଗୋଟେ ଝିଅଟେ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଅଛି, ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି, ଘାସ କାଟୁଛି, ତମେ ରହିକି ତାକୁ ଦେଖ, ନହେଲେ ଚାଲିଯା. ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ଲାଇନ୍. It is written by poet, famous poet William Wordsworth. This poem will surely come in the exam because this is famous poem. ସବୁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଥାଏ ଏ ପୋଏମ୍ରେ. Alone she cuts and binds the grain and sings in a melancholy strain. Oh, listen for the veil profound is overflowing with the sound. ସେ କାଟୁଛି ଘାସ ଏଣ୍ଡ ବାନ୍ଧୁଛି ଏବଂ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି ଦୁଃଖରେ. ତା ଗୀତଟା ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ଓଭରଫ୍ଲୋ ହେଉଛି. No nightingale did ever chant more welcome notes to weary bands of travelers in some shady hunt among Arabian sands. କୌଣସି ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ୍ ବି ଏମିତି ଗୀତ ଗାଇନି. A voice so thrilling never was heard in springtime from the cuckoo bird, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest Hebrides. cuckoo bird ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୀତ ଗାଇନି. Will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old unhappy far of things and battles long ago. ପୁରୁଣା କାଳ କ'ଣ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଥିଲା. କେଉଁ ବିଷୟ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି? ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. Or is it some more humble familiar matter of today? ନୀତିଦିନିଆ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ବିଷୟରେ? For some unnatural sorrow, loss or pain that has been and maybe again. ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ୍ ଦୁଃଖ କଷ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛି. Whatever the theme, the maiden song as if her song could have no ending. ଯାହା ବି ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ଗୀତର ଭଏସ୍ଟା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଥିଲା, ସୁନ୍ଦର ଥିଲା. I saw her singing at her work and over this sickly building. ସେ କାମ କଲାକୁ ତା ଗୀତ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଲି, ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା. I listened motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. ଶୁଣିଲି ଧୀର ସ୍ଥିର ହେଇକି, ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଉପରକୁ ଚଢ଼ିଲି ପାହାଡ଼ ଉପରକୁ, ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ୍ଟା ତା ହାର୍ଟରେ ରହିଲା ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ, ମାନେ ଜୀବନ ସାରି ସେ ମନେ ରଖିଲି, କେବେ ହେଲେ ଭୁଲି ପାରିଲେନି. ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ଗୀତ ଥାଏ ଆମେ କେବେ ଭୁଲି ପାରୁନୁ. ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ. ବେଶୀ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଯାଉନି. ଆମର ମେନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଲା ଦରକାର କ'ଣ? କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍. ଟପିକ୍ସ ବିଷୟରେ ଆସିବ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଯେଉଁ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିବ କ'ଣ? କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଉପରେ ଆସିବ. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍କୁ ବେଶୀ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବା. କ'ଣ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଡ଼ିବ, କ'ଣ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଆସିବ, କ'ଣ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଦେଇପାରିବ, ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିବ, ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟେଡ଼୍. କାରଣ କୌଣସି ଏତେ ଫେମସ୍ ପୋଏମ୍ଟା ଯେ ସେଟା କେହି କହିବେନି. ଏଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଟପିକ୍ସରେ let us understand the poem. Answer the following questions orally. You may refer to the text with your word knowledge to look at the facts. First ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା କହିଲେ ଯେ the central theme of the poemଟା କ'ଣ? विषय में पढ़ा मतलब आम भाविया फास्ट जेकोसी विषय पढ़ुचे कौन पढ़ुचे परीक्षा आंसर क्वेश्चन हिसाब परीक्षा क्वेश्चन जब जापर लास्ट क्वेश्चन कौन अच्छी कौन पढ़ी आमको टे भल इजी हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखा कौन बहर जहाँ क्वेश्चन अच्छी से हूँ बेस्ट क्वेश्चन पूरा समय पढ़ीदेव ताल आज भल टॉपिक्स जस्ट लर्न दी समरी लाइन बाय बेस्ट थिंग इज लर्न द पोएम लाइन बाय लाइन is the best. Now see what is the central idea of the poem. Okay, pick the correct answer. Answer is sweet music appeals to all. सुंदर गीत समस्त भल लगे आम शुणा चाहूँ ये हूँ सेंट्रल आइडिया. The setting of the poem is mountain regions of Scotland. Who are the people described in the poem? पोएम रे काहा का विषय लिखाई कारण जाऊँ रास्तार सॉलिटरी रिपर देखिले दी पोएट एंड द सॉलिटरी रिपर आर द डिस्क्राइबिंग द पोएम ये जो देखते व्हाट डज एक्सप्रेशन हाईलैंड रेफर टू व्हाई डज ही डिस्क्राइब हर आज यूज सॉलिटरी हाईलैंड लास तो कहीं लिखिं हाईलैंड विषय कौन लिखिं हियर हाईलैंड लास रेफर्स टू सॉलिटरी रिपर कहीं कहले यन सॉलिटरी हाईलैंड लास गर्ल वाज अलोन क्वेश्चन यन सॉलिटरी हाईलैंड लास तो क्वेश्चन you know that the girl must be native of the mountain region से जगह को लोग कही थी what is the girl doing the girl is cutting the grains and binding them and singing a song जरा आंसर who does the poet say stop here and gently pass कहीं कहले why does he melodious song of the girl appeals to the poet he says stop here and pass gently to the passers by तो किसी को डिस्टर्ब करनी बहुत सॉन्गटा अच्छी तो सुनो ना पढ़ जा पिक्चर द वर्ड्स दैट व्हिच टेल द गर्ल डज नॉट हैव एनीवन बाय हर साइड से एकुटिया थिला लिखि केही नथिला कि किन मामड़ी हु वर्ड अछि सॉलिटरी सॉलिटरी सिंगल सिंगल अलोन ई वर्ड कहउछन्ती जे द गर्ल हैज डजंट हैव एनीवन बाय हर साइड हमें आंसर लिखि हम द वर्ड्स लाइक सॉलिटरी सिंगल अलोन टेल दैट गर्ल डज नॉट हैव एनीवन बाय हर साइड व्हाट इज द टोन ऑफ हर सॉन्ग हैप्पी सैड और समथिंग सिंपल टोन इज सूथिंग very sweet the tone of the song was sweet overflowing with sound explain the poet finds a young girl singing and chanting a song in loud voice entire valley is flooded with her beautiful voice solitary reaper song reminds the poet of her other singers what are they the अन्य सिंगर से कहला तो माने बोथला they are the nightingale and the cuckoo nightingale बहुत सुंदर है cuckoo इसे को एति हला तार क्वेश्चन आंसर आ बाकी जहाँ क्वेश्चन आंसर आप निजे मन में चेष्टा करेंगे ना कहीदेवी ओके दिस इज द फॉर टुडे इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो जस्ट सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक इट शेयर इट एंड push the bell icon. This is the solitary reaper. If you have any doubt, just WhatsApp me. My number is 9938501329. Again telling 9938501329. Just write on the comment box. I will reply you and try to help you. My other number, WhatsApp number is 943796160. If you can mail also, you can mail me. My mail address is rkp4038@gmail.com. Thank you.